Hello, my name is Pawan Ukle, and today I will be presenting my Power BI dashboard, that is employee return analysis and year-over-year trends. So these dashboards provides insight into product returns, employee performance, and year-over-year trends based on the three data sets, that is orders, people, and returns. The main goal of this report is to analyze how often customer return products, how this changes over time, and which employees or regions are most affected. So, firstly, I began by loading the orders, peoples, and returns data into Power BI. The orders data contains information about sales, profit, and the product details for the years 2014, 2015, and 2016. The return table, so the returns table lists which orders were returned. The people table maps each employee to their respective region. After cleaning and ensuring correct data types, I create a date table using DAX and marked it as an official date table. So in the data model, orders act as a fact table with people, returns, and the date table. So, and this table serves as a dimension table and it forms a star schema. Then I built a relationship between all these tables like orders and people tables that have many to one relationship, then orders to returns that have many to many relationship, then with the orders to date table that have many to one relationship. So then to extract key insights, I created several DAX measures like total orders, then return orders, return rate percentage, which is the return order divided by total orders, then average return value, representing the average sales over the return items, and year over year changes for each KPI cards using time intelligence functions like sample period last year. For example, return rate year over year functions compare the last year's rate to the previous year to show whether the returns are increasing or decreasing. So at the top of the dashboard, I have placed three KPI cards: return rate percentage, average return value, and return count. Each KPI displays the main value and year-over-year comparison with the colored arrows. A green dot indicates improvement, means fewer returns, while the red up means performance have low. So this section gives an instant summary of return performance and how it is trending compared to last year. So below KPI cards have line chart showing monthly trend. Each represent a different year like 2014, 2015 and 2016, allowing to you to see how returns changes over time and identify seasonal peaks. On the right, bar charts highlight top 5 employees by return count along with their year-over-year difference. This helps management to focus on employees or regions that need to improvement or recognition. The pie chart shows the percentage contribution of each employees to total returns, with the tooltip displaying year-over-year changes in contribution. So on the right side, I have added slices for employee, region, and year. This allows users to filter the entire dashboard interactively. For example, selecting a particular employee, selecting a particular employee or region automatically updates all visuals on there to show only their data. This interactivity makes the dashboard dynamic and suitable for real-time business decision making. So, in the conclusion, this Power BI dashboard delivers a clean picture of returns, performance, employee contribution, and year-over-year changes. It helps identify improvement areas, reduce um, return rates, and enhance employee accountability. So, thank you for watching my dashboard presentation. I hope you found it insightful and easy to understand. Thank you.